mamas. I got Dreamer Tube here, checking out new dogs. Up, 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 up. This one stands on its feet. This one is their dad. Of course, Bucci. And right there is the little puppy we call Fluffy. And this is his mom. Also Fluffy's mom, of course.
Puffy. Puffy. Puffy.
Puffy, come here. Up, 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 up. Roll around. What are you doing, dog? That down. He's smelling me, oh. Alright. Look at this dog. She says please. Okay. Say please. Stand up on your feet, mama. Stand up on your feet. His name is Speedy then. He's very fast. And this one's Porpy because he's very strong. And this one's Speedy because he's very fast. This one's Bucci because he's very butch. Come on. Come on, dog. Go up what you used to do.
He could only do it with his dad's back. In his dad's back.
Do it again. Oh, come
Or
on.
he could stand. He needs to stand. He likes a pat in his ear.
Yeah, you know. See, still. Look, Sky. Okay, guys. I'm here with Kitten Tube. Little Dreamer just went there. I don't know where. Ah. And what Chupa? There, right there with the. And we're Little Dreamer, guys. Your favorite. Little Dreamer style. Dun, dun, dun. Dun. Whoa, see? He's standing! He's standing! Sky stood up. You're Speedy, right? You're Speedy, right? You're Mr. Speedy, right? He's standing again! Speedy! Speedy!
That's Pleasy because he always says please.
This one's Laura.
Pleasy.
Pleasy. Please. She needs to smell your hand first before. Okay. Look at the Speedy. 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 Oh, Speedy. Speedy. Come down. Shh. Speedy. Come down.
Calm down.
Okay, that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.